Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Doing some bulk recording, as you're gonna be able to tell. Unboxing came from one of my cohorts in Caleb Snell's Discord group. In the Discord group, you can make little channels within the channel, and we have a section in there where you can sell your goods and wares, also trade if you want to trade. I think we allow trading in there. One of my friends that are in there, she doesn't have a channel, so I will be mentioning her name. She's a viewer like I am, well, I guess I'm a content creator too, right? This is the actual Coach box that it came in. It's a Coach item. I told y'all I'm on this Coach craze. She had some items for sale and I jumped on them. So look at this. Now there's also some Junie items in here. Ta-da. Let's do the Junie items first. Okay. Here is the Junie stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. Girl after my own heart, she saves her boxes. Woohoo! So this is a Coach item. And here's Junie. So there's two Junie items in here. So let me set this aside as to not distract you, and really not to distract me. She's had these right here, she's had in her collection for a long time. And although we weren't sure if they were authentic pieces or not, this one is authentic. Look at this, it's so cute. It's such a cutie pie. Look at it. It's such a cutie pie. It even has the little, so this is my second one like this. I'm not sure if I've shown y'all my first one, and I don't think it's the exact same one. This one I did purchase off of her, and so honestly I can't remember how much it was, because she let me make payments on it, so that's why I don't remember how much each item was. But we knew that this one was authentic on there. So then this one right here is the green, and y'all know I've been wanting this green for a while. We knew this was the fob was authentic, so I paid for that like 10 bucks I think, because it's, you know, the brass and everything, but she couldn't find anything on this bag. She didn't want to charge me for it because it didn't have the anything in here that has to do with the Junie tags and stuff. It does have the suede in here. I told her I was going to try to get it authenticated, but she said I purchased the Coach items for her. She just wanted to clean out her closet, so she gave this to me, which I thought was very generous of her. She said it'll find a good home. I told her that I was going to just show it on my channel and say that we weren't sure, that she gifted it to me. Then maybe y'all can help me get it authenticated. I think Goodwill or shopgoodwill.com, Goodwill Finds and shopgoodwill.com uses Authenticate, but I've been trying to find Authenticate website to where I can use it, and I guess I'm just not looking. When I put in Authenticate, it comes up with all these different places that you can go to authenticate your items, but it's cute. So I'm hoping that it is, but you know, it has the suede on the inside. It does have this pull out little pocket here. Here is a little something here. So this is why we weren't sure what this was for. Maybe that was where the original key, the key ring holder was for. I'm not sure. So that's why we weren't sure if it was authentic or not. And it's a little worse for wear. It's torn right here. So that's what she was going to just she was going to destroy it And I said, no, don't do that. Let me see if I can get it authenticated and see before you do that. So like I said, she gifted it to me, didn't charge me anything, and didn't claim that it was authentic or anything. So we're gonna try to see if we can figure it out. If it's not authentic, then I'm taking the patch off. Oh, that's what I was gonna check. It looks like the patch is sewn in. Usually when they're fake, yeah, the patch is sewn in. So usually when they're fake, the patches are not sewn in. And so we'll see how that goes, and I'll keep y'all posted. If y'all have any information, if y'all know anything, let me know. Let me know, Bean Beauties. Y'all are a big resource for me. Or if y'all know where I can go get it authenticated, that would help as well too. So these are the 2 Dooney items that came out of here, plus the Dooney bag. She was so sweet about it. Okay, so here is the coach. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this right here is a huge find. I was so excited when I saw this because I have been wanting one. It is the Rogue, Coach Rogue, but it's not the 17, it's the 22. Look at it, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Came in the original packaging, and look at that. It's got the original tags with it. This, the color, I fell in love with, because she had several. She was getting rid of, she's upgrading her collection. So she's going for the high dollar stuff. So she was upgrading her collection, and so she was letting go. She had several Rogues, all different sizes, all different colors. And I never thought I would get a Rogue because of the fact that I needed a small one. I can't handle a heavier one. This is definitely, it's got some weight to it. It does has weight to it. It's still heavy. This was one of the main reasons. Look at this. Look at the belt. Okay, what is this? Is this a puzzle belt? Let's see. Oh, this is, I guess, how you make it bigger and smaller. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay. I don't know. Me no say. Okay. Very interesting. She's a little person, so she doubled it up for her. I'm not little. So let me pause this and see if I can get it. Okay, I figured it out. There we go. So I don't know if it's going to be long enough. We'll check that out in a minute. This is so cute. Oh my God, she never even used this. Look at this, y'all. She didn't even take the tag off. Crazy. You're crazy. Of course, I can't say anything. I have some that are like that. So yeah, I got a really good deal on this. Brand new. It is glove, Rogue 22, glove leather 10. I don't know what it is, but yeah, look at that. It still has the paper right here on here. Oh my goodness. So it's got the double zippers. I like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. She also came with the wallet that she never even used. A matching wallet that came with that. Look at that. This is so cute. I mean, how could I pass that up? It was a beautiful color. And now that I know that these open up wide and I can get my hands in them, thanks to Dawn Loves Couture when she did her little review on these styles of wallets. Oh, here's another. Oh, it comes with another strap. How many straps does this pretty thing have? Oh my goodness. Comes with a plain leather strap. So I wonder if this if this is what meant to be a shoulder carry. Comes with the dust bag. Has all the packing still in it. Has the card, all the silicone pack. My goodness. It still has these in it. Look, and they're still in here. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, now that all that stuff's out of it, it's a lot lighter now. It's a lot lighter. Cutie patootie. I like this. This is cute. So it's my first rogue. And it's a baby rogue. It's a baby rogue. Let me see if I can use this one as a crossbody, which I have a feeling that, oh, let's see. Is this going to be janky? It's going to be janky. Okay. I think that was the other reason too why I wasn't sure about the robes, because they crisscross. Yeah. So, okay, so here it is right here. I will probably need to put an extension on it to make it just a little bit longer, because it comes up a little high and it kind of feels like it's choking me. This one, I bet you, is definitely the crossbody, which will be longer, but I like this one. I do like this one. I mean, yeah, I might be able to do it as a shoulder, use this as a shoulder bag. But this is so cute, and I like that they fold in. So when I'm carrying it, it's very cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. You know who you are. Here's this. I like it. My first rogue. Did I do the 360? I think I did, right? Front, side, back, bottom. Oh yeah, down here it says genuine glove, tanned pebble leather. That's what all the initials on here mean. Very pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I love the color. It wasn't just a regular old color. I was excited for this. Yay. Very excited. All right, beauties, hope you enjoyed this. Love y'all. Bye-bye.